Adding multiple hosts in Calendly allows teams to collaborate on scheduling appointments efficiently. Here's how to set this up. Log into Calendly. Start by logging into your Calendly account. Ensure you have the appropriate account type that supports team scheduling features. Access team settings. From your dashboard, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Team from the drop-down menu. Invite team members. Click on Add Team Members. You can invite individuals by entering their email addresses. Each member will receive an email invitation to join your team on Calendly. Set up a team event. After team members accept the invitation, create a new event type. Click on Event Types, then select Create. Choose Group or Round Robin depending on your scheduling needs. Select Hosts. While setting up the event, you'll be able to choose multiple hosts from your team for that specific event. Configure Availability. Ensure that the availability settings reflect the chosen host schedules so that appointments can be booked according to their availability. Save and share. Save the event type. Share the scheduling link with clients or embed it on your website.